Hey, fourth graders. I'm sending you information on how to activate your email account. You're going to go to the GA website. You're going to click on faculty login. You're going to go over here and you're going to click on email. I can't go any farther because I have my password saved in there and it just goes right to my email. After that, if you click on this, it'll take you to a login page. You're going to sign in with your first initial, your last name, and then I have all the information written down. I don't want to go into too much detail on YouTube. And your password. Once you get that, you will be able to go to your own account on Rediker. So you'll click on the parent-student portal. You'll get to this page where you'll use that same information that you just used on your email. Then that'll bring you to the home page. Your page is going to look a little bit different than mine. I could not find a student page that was activated to demonstrate with. And anyway, I kind of didn't want to because if you open this up right here, it's going to show your grades and everything. Didn't want to put that information out there to the world. But what I want to show you, I'm hoping that you've already been on your parents more or less and that you know how to find like your assignments and things like that and your grades. If you click on any of these classes, it's going to take you to that class. You can see the grades for that. I'm going to go to religion because I actually have a little quiz in religion that you're going to be taking this week. This is another way we're going to be keeping in contact with each other by doing activities on Rediker. So be practicing with this. So we're in religion right now. Your page is going to be similar to this. You'll see the picture and everything. You'll see your list of assignments. You're also going to be seeing your grades there. And then you're going to come all the way down here to quizzes. And you'll see the religion chapter 18 questions. You should be able to click on that, open it up, and it's going to be an online test about the information that you read this week that you need to take, well, whenever you're finished reading the stuff, Wednesday or Thursday. I have it written down in the lesson plans for Thursday. Okay, so the main thing in trying to get to this quiz is you need to make sure you're in the subject. So if it's a religion test, you need to make sure you're in religion. If it's a reading thing, you need to make sure you're in reading. If you come to the home screen and go down, you're not going to be able to find the test. Let me show you that. So here we're on the home screen. The home screen will show like all, this would be all your averages for all your different classes. And then things like this, different information. So you need to make sure you go into that class. This is for religion. And you go all, well, it's got to load up. You got to go all the way down to class quizzes. You click on it. So I clicked on it and I opened it. I'm not positive if you're going to have to do this or not, but I wanted to show you just in case it pops up where it says select category. You need to select category. You need to go to 7th commandment. Click that and the thing will pop up. I'm not going to show you any more of it because mine shows the answers and I don't want you to know the answers right now. All right. So let me know if you have any questions about doing that. Thanks.